Oh, Senor, Don Gato was a cat on a high red roof. Don Gato sat. He would dare to read a letter, meow, 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 where the reading light was better, meow, meow, meow. 'Twas a love note for Don Gato. I adore you, wrote the lady cat, who was fluffy, white, and nice and fat. Oh, there was not a sweeter kitty, oh, meow, meow, in the country or the city, rar. And she said she'd wed Don Gato. Oh, Don Gato, he jumped so happily, he fell off the roof and broke his knee, broke his ribs and all his whiskers, meow, 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 and his little solar plexus, meow, meow, meow. Ay, caramba, cried Don Gato. Then the doctors, they all come on the raya, just to see if something can be done. And they held a consultation, meow, 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 about how to save their patient, meow, meow, meow. How to save Senor Don Gato. But in spite of everything they tried, poor Senor Don Gato, he up and died. Oh, it wasn't very merry, meow, 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 going to the cemetery, meow, 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 for the ending of Don Gato. When the funeral it passes the market square, such a smell of fish was in the air. Though his burial was slated, meow, 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 he became reanimated, meow, meow, meow. He came back to life. Don Gato.